Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the network error POSIX 61, a common issue that can disrupt your online experience. This error typically indicates that a connection attempt has failed. Let's break down the most common scenarios that lead to this error and provide step-by-step solutions to help you fix it quickly. Scenario 1. Internet connectivity issues. 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. You can do this by trying to access a different website or using another app that requires internet access. 2. Restart your router. If your internet connection seems unstable, unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help reset your internet connection. 3. Switch networks. If possible, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error persists. Scenario 2. Firewall or antivirus interference. 1. Disable firewall. Temporarily. Sometimes your firewall may block certain connections. Disable your firewall temporarily to see if this resolves the issue. Make sure to re-enable it afterward for security. 2. Check antivirus settings. Your antivirus software may also interfere with network connections. Check its settings and consider disabling it temporarily to identify if it's causing the problem. Scenario 3. Incorrect configuration settings. 1. Reset network settings. On Windows, you can reset your network settings by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Status Network Reset. This will restore all network settings to default. 2. Check proxy settings. Ensure that your device is not set to use a proxy unless necessary. Go to your network settings and disable any proxy that might be configured. Scenario 4. Application-specific issues. 1. Update the application. Ensure that the application you're using is up to date. Developers often release patches for known issues, including connectivity problems. 2. Reinstall the application. If the issue continues, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the application. This can fix potential corruption within the app files. Scenario 5. DNS issues. 1. Change DNS settings. Sometimes, using a different DNS server can resolve connection issues. You can change your DNS server to Google's public DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 under your network settings. 2. Flush DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig flush DNS. This will clear your DNS cache, which can help resolve network connectivity problems. If you follow these steps, you should be able to quickly diagnose and resolve the network error POSIX 61. Remember that these solutions may vary based on your specific setup, so use the one that best fits your situation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.